huge wide track lane.
Yeah, they do. And made it a wonderful. I'll tell you what I'm going to call it. The world's biggest big lighter.
Well, I think they're longer than shockwaves. I've been watching it. That looks at least 80 or 90 from where we're sitting. Look at it now, though, disappearing into his own smoke, turning dead dinosaurs, folks, into fun.
Now I like that. The driver, Mark Smith, he's been driving jet-powered vehicles for over 25 years, and he's working with the owner of this vehicle, the family known as the Darnell family.
Yeah, Darnells.
Neil and his wife Marilyn, their son Chris and Mark all drive these vehicles at events all around the country, and I will say right off that the Darnells won a very prestigious award this past December at the International Counterfeiter Convention in Las Vegas. They won the Showmanship Award. But we're going to see something very special today between John Culver and Mark Smith. What the heck is that?
Well, that's Spot, the little Dalmatian smart car. Every fire station has a Dalmatian. Yeah, that's theirs. It's race on. Miramar, there we go. It is race on. Aftershock. Quickly accelerating. And of course, John Culver, he's got a firewall. Check this out. Rob, who's it going to be? Call those speeds.
Oh boy, the speeds are that he's already at 325, 350, 367 miles an hour.
Wow.
He just barely won. Acceleration.
Oh, now that is true. He's still going over 50 or 60 down there.
And he's got to use those parachutes because if he tried to get on the brakes, he'd burn them right up and maybe even roll that thing over. Those parachutes are very, very important.
Nobody asked me last night at dinner why he stopped so soon, but I'll tell you, he stopped so soon on this big runway in case there's a malfunction. He can safely roll out. And look at that. The speed of smell, Spot, chasing FIRETRUCK down the runway.